Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To freeze this dip, add dip to a bowl with a sealable lid. Secure lid and store in the freezer for 1 to 3 months. Before baking, let dip thaw in the refrigerator overnight. When ready to serve, transfer to a baking dish and follow the regular instructions for baking the dip.
Let's help you make your mark.
3 months. Yes, you can freeze buffalo chicken dip before or after cooking it for up to 3 months. If you freeze it after it has been cooked, it is recommended that you use a pre-freeze process first, and it may need extra care when you reheat it as ingredients may separate.
Take our lead.
Cream cheese, sour cream, and Monterey Jack meld the savory spiciness, and when microwaved, this dip tackles your taste buds in the best way possible. We recommend having your favorite Trader Joe's tortilla chips on hand for maximum scooping.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.